So, hey guys, I'm going to take my COVID-19 vaccine, and this is my first block. So, yesterday, what happened that all of a sudden we started getting slots for the vaccination, which is pretty cool because we were not getting slots for like many months, and then Happy July came in, and we got the slot for the very first day. And yeah, so we are all set to go to Payoh West Community Club Vaccination Center. So here in every locality we have different community centers and that are being allotted according to your residency. Like you can go to any community club and select any vaccine. We had an option of selecting Pfizer or Moderna. I have selected Pfizer because yeah, it is just more popular. No particular preference on that. And my appointment is for 4 p.m. and it's 3:50 already. But the place is nearby, so I hope I'll reach on time. So this is the vaccination center. Very cute. And that's Saksham. He's laughing over there. Say hi to the camera. So they just checked my message. This one from MOS. I have been invited for the vaccination, and now I'm in the queue. The queue is like going. Pretty excited. Now let me also do my trace together registration. So you can see. Yeah, safe entry. I am here at the vaccination center, Payoh West Community Club. So guys, the queue is moving and they are checking the safe entry for everybody. And since I have already done my safe entry, so there should not be a problem to get inside. So people are sitting with their queue number. That lady is getting the queue. So after you check your temperature, it gives you a queue. So he's there. So I'll just go and sit with him. Like sit near to him. Let's say hi to the camera. So here we can see the queue numbers that everybody is getting, and it is rolling pretty fast. So it's 1-1. Oh my god, 11:56 is going on, and mine is 1195. So yeah, 40 people before me, but I think my number should be there within 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see here, there are 4 steps: registration, vaccination, observation, and discharge. 1184. So I think they are calling this queue number for registration purpose. As you can see, the registration is the step number 1. So guys, you have to inform them if you had recently had fever or you already had vaccination, 1188. Cancer, transplant, HIV, and a lot of things, allergies and all. So you have to inform them everything, especially pregnant and breastfeeding women. One important thing to notice is everything is written in 4 languages. So English, Malay, Tamil, and Chinese. 1193. Okay, I think they are calling my number. No, they are not calling my number. Oh my god. 1194. 1194. 1195. Yes. My number is here. 1195. So guys, I'm inside and let me show you around. So you can see people are waiting for their number to come. So guys, videography here is not allowed. So let me just explain you the steps. So people are sitting around here and one by one they are getting their queue numbers. And the registration step is going on there. So the lady registered me and explained me about the side effects and gave me this booklet to read. It's written Pfizer BioNTech vaccine guidelines and all those things. So yeah, I have registered and I'm waiting for my number to come. And inside they will also explain me more things about the vaccination, like you have to take paracetamol or something like that. So let's see what happens. Guys, I have got my shot, as you can see here. I got my shot, and the lady told me that I have to be in observation for 30 minutes, and that's why everybody is sitting here. And after 30 minutes, they will be allowing us to go home. So first step was registration, then vaccination, then observation, and then discharge. So I'm in the step number 3 now. So some of you must be wondering, like, was it painful? How was the experience? So I think it was not at all painful, very fast, and the lady was very considerate, and she explained me very nicely. And it's a very small injection, and you just take it, and it won't even feel. So while we are waiting, let's go through this booklet. So they are explaining about the Pfizer vaccine and who should take it, who should not take it. So you have to be 12 years or more older to get this vaccine, and these are the normal side effects that can be resolved by paracetamol. So if the fever persists for more than 2 days, only then you have to contact them, as you can see. Otherwise, you don't have to contact them. It is pretty normal to have fever for 2 days if you have a vaccine. So yeah, that's the advice. What was the other advice after vaccination? You can go through it slowly, and the same advice is written in Chinese, and then in Malay, and then in Tamil. So guys, it has been 15 minutes since I took my shot, and I haven't felt anything. I was talking to Saksha, so I felt just a bit dizzy, but that was fine. So I haven't felt anything till now. So just an update. So guys, I have got discharged, and they gave me this hand sanitizer, face mask, and this certificate, and I'm all set. I'm going out of this vaccination center. I'm still feeling very good. 30 minutes already. So yeah, I'm here, and you can see all the things that I've got. This is, I think, the vaccination certificate, vaccination card. The next appointment is on 1st of August. So 1 month for the next appointment. And the whole experience was very good. And I feel positive that I contributed for eradicating COVID-19. Last thing, just to guide you, after the end of your appointment, you should have a hand sanitizer, a pack of face mask, a vaccination card, and a booklet containing the information about the Pfizer vaccine. So before coming here, please bring a pouch bag with you so that you can take away the hand sanitizer and the pack of face mask that they give you. Hey guys, I'm heading back to home. So as you can see, I'm in the bus. It's been 1 hour since I took my jab, and nothing has happened, thankfully. The only thing is I'm feeling a bit numb in the area where I got the jab. So you can see here, there is this mark of getting me getting the jab. So I hope for next 48 hours everything will be fine and there will be no vaccine side effects. But one thing is, if there are side effects, that means the vaccine is working very effectively. So I hope there are some side effects so that I can feel that the vaccine is working, but not too much. I hope you like the video. If you really did, then please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends who are about to get the jab.